Hello everyone, make a high ponytail. Take 2 strands of hair from the tail and tie it up. Repeat it as you move down the length of your hair. Take a strand of hair from both the sides, tie it up, flip it and tuck it in. Gather the hair into 2 sections and tie them. Flip the tail up and tuck it. Repeat it again. Tie the tail and flip them up. Now add the hair clip. Take strands of hair from both the sides, tie it up twice at a distance, flip it up, gather the hair into 2 sections and make a braid. Flip the braids and pin it. Gather hair into 2 sections, tie them up, loosen the hairs, make braids. Now spin it around into a bun and pin it. Take a strand of hairs, secure it with a hair elastic, flip it and tuck it in. Repeat the same. Now tie them together, section the tail into 2 and tie them. Flip it up and tuck it in. Repeat the same process thrice. Take a strand of hairs, braid it, repeat it, tie them together, gather your hair, secure it with a hair tie, flip the tail, tuck the braids and spin the tail. Make a ponytail, take a strand of hairs, tie it up, flip it up and tuck it in. Push the hairs out, make 4 braids. Make a half ponytail, secure it with a hair elastic, add hair clip, take a strand of hairs from both sides, twist it, flip it up and tuck it in. Tie the tail and flip them up again, hide the ends. Gather your hair and secure it with a hair elastic. Place the tail in the direction as shown. Make a bun.